October 31st, the spookiest day of the year. Halloween costumes range from funny to serious to downright disrespectful. Halloween is the one time of the year that it's acceptable to dress as your favorite guilty pleasure without fear of judgment. Or is there? Are there rules to a good costume? Here's what DGS students have to say.
I feel like what makes a bad costume would be becoming a character that's irrelevant and also just not executing it well. Because you can be a character that not many people know, but you can do it well. But if you're going to be both of those things, if you're not going to do it well and you're not going to be something that people know, then that's just my criteria. Like, that is not a good costume. For good costumes, I feel like you can do almost anything, but you have to execute it well. I feel like that's the biggest thing for a costume. As long as you actually put more than 3 seconds into your costume and try to make it look nice, then that'll be a decent costume. I think some of the good costumes that are relatively easy as well. I think the inflatable ones are normally really good. Any basic costumes like Harley Quinn, cops, prisoners, things of that sort are also really good. I've also seen some pretty good ones of horror movie characters, Freddy Krueger, Michael Myers. The ones with masks are normally pretty easy. Some really bad ones for majority, the ones where work was not put in. I feel like that's such a big thing. I've seen some pretty rough ones. Mostly just when you don't put effort in and your costume just looks like you threw together a couple of random clothes from your closet.
I think one important thing to make a good Halloween costume is that there has to be some sort of idea. I think some sort of originality behind it, or some it has to be it has a set goal. It has to either be funny or maybe an inside joke or something. I feel like bad Halloween costumes are always something that's just it's not personal, I think some good Halloween costumes I've seen are the Ky'm and Pam trend right now. That's what I'm gonna be, or anything I love couples costumes so much. I think they're so cute, or even just trios or anything. I love the strawberry shortcake and having all her friends do it.
As teenagers, there seems to be a fear of being yourself and wearing a costume that others might not like or perceive as bad.
I don't know about a bad Halloween costume, but I would say let me try to think. Probably just not dressing up at all, because I feel it's just a fun time and I feel like everyone should dress up.
Between 7th, 8th grade, so 13, 14. I think it's because of the social standards that come with being in that grade. I know some kids that age think that it's not cool to dress up, but I do think that as the years progress and you go into high school, they realize that dressing up is actually you can make it fun.
About a bad Halloween costume, but I would say probably just not dressing up at all, because I feel it's just a fun time and I feel like everyone should dress up.
Whether or not there are rules and regulations to what makes a Halloween costume rock, it's hard to decide that bad costumes are hard to come by. Have a great Halloween. Stay safe, stay dry, for makeup purposes. And don't go out alone at night. Stay spooky.